Hello everybody and welcome back to another Minecraft video. It's not a survival video today, it's actually Redstone. Been a while, but I have been working on something for a decent amount of time trying to figure out how in the world I would be able to do it. So here's what it is. So let's get a chest minecart. Let's get some wooded items. So just type in wood. Let's just do that. Okay. We're gonna put this here. Keep the first slot open. Oh wait, I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? So, cause I didn't set up the whole actual storage part. That's up to you. So, we take the woods coin. We pop that in and we press the button. Now you watch that go over there. That's the actual one, and it goes into this specific area, which is the wood area. So if we go over here, woods. So honestly, I should have probably showed you the redstone first, but let's turn off the music really quick just because it's a bit loud. Okay. So, what is going on? So, I'm using a key card kind of thing. So, you pick what kind of thing it is. So, stone, wood, value, nether, and etc. You can add more than that and extend this, but the timings are going to have to be different and everything. So basically, I put this in, and it goes down this track. Now it hits onto that hopper and stays there. Now it stays there and drops the key card through here into this chest minecart. This chest minecart only takes the actual key card and nothing else. So if I go ahead and show you guys this again, let's do etc. Just so you know that it doesn't just work with a bunch of items in it. So as you can see, just that, and then once it'll push it along, and it pushed it away because I'm dumb and I didn't make these timings correct. Something was not right. Oh well. Anyway, it does work. I just made the timings a bit off. So, let me show you with the end one. Okay, so basically it stops there. The chest minecart goes here, goes through a sorting system of sorts, and puts the actual chest minecart with the items in it onto its own track. Now its track will you can take it to its own bigger sorting system where it'll go into sections where it's the certain things, and then it can go through its own sorting system. But I wanted to make some sort of multiple item storage system, and I thought this would be the best way. So this took me about 4 hours, but that's because I'm kind of rusty at the moment for redstone because it's been a while. So that's why I'm breaking things. So I can just increase the timing on this. And then let's put etc. back. Just make sure the redstone's working. So, yep, it does it. Oh, it doesn't do it fast enough. That's the problem. Whoops. So instead, I should be decreasing the time. Let's try this one more time. Sorry it's breaking. I'm just a bit rusty. But it's actually quite simple to make this, these modules. I thought it'd be much harder. See, there you go. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to build one small module, and then I'll show you how I did all of the resetting and everything. But it's not hard. Alright, so let's start from the actual sorting area, because I feel like that is the one of the most important parts, because that's what grabs the ID. So first you're going to make a sort of a plus sign like this, or just this, and you're going to break that middle part. Then 3 blocks like this, this is just for the first module, and a piece of glass right here so you can open the chest. Then you're going to put double chest like this, and a chest right there with a hopper going into it. Then you're going to get a comparator like that. Then after that you're going to put 2 repeaters here and here on 4 ticks into a piece of redstone dust, and another piece of redstone dust like that. Then another piece of redstone dust, which you'll, for the next modules, you'll have to increase this very far, depending on how many you use. So then you're going to put 2 more redstone repeaters like this, connected up to on 4 ticks. Then you're going to build up like this, and then right here you're going to put a redstone torch. Now this right here is going to change the rails above, so it's going to be some sort of like, so here's this, and then if I get some rails, here's that part, this, or this, and then bam, like that. So if I just break this, it turns off and will take it in this area. Now, how are we going to get it over here? Well, that part is actually in the sorting system. Yay! So this part is probably maybe the trickiest part, I guess, because you need more, you need hoppers, which are expensive, and I guess there's 1 hopper there, but this is a decently expensive sorting system, but it's very useful. So 2 hoppers like that with a hopper on top, I believe. I'm just gonna go make sure. So okay, I see. So you're gonna break that really quick, and you're going to put blocks here and here with a comparator right here. Then you're gonna put a hopper facing into this. This is important. Then redstone here, block like this, redstone here, repeater into a block right here. Set this to 2 ticks with redstone. I believe 2 ticks, yep. Redstone torch right there. Now this is where you'll put your actual keys cards. So if I go like this, you can see that it'll start deleting a bunch, and it should be 18. So if I put any more in here, it'll dispense another one, and it'll dispense it into here. Now you need to have 1 in here already. If you don't have 1 in here already, so in this hopper underneath the sorting system, the first time you do it won't work. So you have to have the exact same key card underneath it really quick. So then, and the reason I did it like that is so that it doesn't take anything else from the hopper minecart, just in case something drops into the hopper minecart or drains more of these. So then it goes into here, it gets detected by this and instantly gets taken out. So then it's the power goes up here and switches this. You'll have to mess around with the timings, obviously, so that the minecart goes into here. And that's actually the entire setup. So this isn't needed, and neither are these blocks. But you are going to have to put some redstone here, because this right here can't detect what's in there fast enough. So you're actually going to change this out for a target block, and then like that. So this is going to be part of the reset system. So if I go like this, and then like that, and then this is where you're going to be putting in your reset system, but only after the rail has hit that, or the minecart has hit this rail. Now the reason it looks like I made it look like this is because what it was doing, it was connecting to these and these up here and those over here, and I had to make sure that doesn't happen. So what this does is it resets things. So the minecart chest that's holding the actual key card gets over here, hits this, powers this repeater, powering this, which goes up here and resets this. Now this is the powering of the minecart with the items in it. So basically, this will push forward, and it will also power this rail, making it sort of like giving it momentum, and it'll go to the section you need it to. If it's the section, if it doesn't go through any section, it'll just go off the edge. So here, like, and then it resets itself using this, and yeah. Okay, I talk too much, but basically, and then it also resets all the hoppers. Oh, it's a lot to take in, but it's really a good system, and I'm gonna try and make more redstone videos for you guys. If you guys need any more redstone like help or redstone ideas that I need to do, please let me know. Also, I'm gonna be trying to get more videos in since I've graduated. Thank you. I know I've graduated high school. Very nice. And this system, it doesn't matter what rail you do. You could alternate these for all I care. But basically, bam, and you can simply wham. But oh wait, right, you can't because of that. I guess these can power those, I guess. But honestly, what I did is I did that, never mind. And then, oh, I completely forgot to mention something. This button is very important. So the button powers this redstone, which also powers this and allows it to go. But also, very importantly, it also powers this line down here, which pushes this along and also stops this from stops this from taking any more than just one item. So this will turn off for near like half a second, or enough just to take one item and nothing else. Then we also have this happening where it turns off and it has 4 repeaters of 4 ticks, and it powers this, and then pushes it along. But what I like about this is how quick it is. So let's see, let's do stone. You can only do 1 at a time right now, but you could increase the size of this. Look how fast that is. This is so quick. Bam, stone's the first one. I love this system. I might put this into my survival series if I get the time. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.